Hello, my name is Preet Madan and I am from second year C branch section B and my roll number is 38, and the topic for my INC CO based individual activity is to demonstrate one of the traffic shaping algorithm. So let's begin. So before moving on to what is traffic shaping algorithm, let us consider what is traffic shaping. So we all are familiar with the word traffic, which means congestion or obstruction. So in short, we can say traffic shaping is a method or mechanism that controls the rate of flow or the amount of data. Data can be in any form which is transferred over to the network. And why do we need traffic shaping? Because obviously it will control the reduce the congestion, and then it will control the flow of data, the amount of data which is sent over to the network, and also it will prioritize your private text, private messages, and so on. So let us see what are the types of traffic shaping algorithms. So as you can see in this slide, I have listed down 6 of the traffic shaping algorithm, which are majorly token bucket, leaky bucket, weighted fair queuing, class-based queuing, random early detection, and active queue management. So in this PPT, I'm going to focus about what is leaky bucket algorithm. So let us know what is leaky bucket algorithm. So to understand what exactly leaky bucket algorithm is, let us take an example. I have a water bottle. Suppose this is a bucket and I have put a hole into it, and I have some water. I'm going to pour into it. As you can see, the water is coming out, or we can say is getting leaked out of the hole. So what to observe from this demonstration is, so to understand it, the water represents the data, or we can say the packets which is sent over to the network, and the bucket we can say is the store where the packets or the burst data is stored, and the water which is getting leaked out of the hole, we can say is the fixed amount, the fixed rate at which the data is sent. So what we observe is, no matter how much water we pour, or we can say how much data we have transmitted, there has a fixed rate, a fixed capacity of data which is sent over. It represents the capacity or the maximum amount of bursts that can be stored into it, and the rate at which the data is leaked is known as the leakage rate, and thus this controls the amount of data which is sent over to the network. Moving further, every algorithm has certain advantages and disadvantages. For leaky bucket, as we saw, the package, or we can say the data, arrives continuously, and thus the tokens does not get saved, and thus the leaky bucket is token independent. And also with the example, we saw that the amount of data which is transmitted, or we can say it is sent by the sender, can always differ, but the amount at which it is transmitted, or we can say leaked, will always be constant, and thus by which it controls the flow, it reduces the congestion, and leaky bucket is easy to understand, and hence it is widely used. But if the amount of data which is coming in, or we can say the package which is sent over to the bucket, gets excess, the data can be discarded, and thus it prevents congestion. And yeah, these were the advantages and disadvantages for the leaky bucket. So that was all about traffic shaping algorithm in leaky bucket. Thank you so much.